How to perform the Heimlich like a pro. Subscribe for more videos. The Heimlich maneuver is a life-saving technique that is used to dislodge an object from someone's airway. It is a simple procedure, but it requires precision and confidence to perform effectively. In this article, we'll cover the steps to perform the Heimlich maneuver like a pro. Step 1. Assess the situation. Before you start the Heimlich maneuver, it's important to assess the situation. Check to see if the person is choking and unable to speak or breathe. If they are coughing or able to talk, they probably don't need the Heimlich maneuver. Step 2. Stand behind the person. Stand behind the person who is choking, with your feet shoulder width apart. Make sure that you are in a stable position and can support the person's weight. Step 3. Wrap your arms around the person. Wrap your arms around the person's waist, with one hand just above the navel and the other hand just below it. The thumb of your lower hand should be pointing towards the person's belly button. Step 4. Apply pressure. With your upper hand, grasp your lower hand and apply upward pressure into the person's abdomen. The pressure should be forceful and quick. Aim to apply enough pressure to push the air out of the person's lungs, which will help to dislodge the object that is blocking the airway. Step 5. Repeat if necessary. If the object is not dislodged after the first attempt, repeat the procedure. It's important to keep trying until the object is removed or the person starts breathing again. It's important to note that the Heimlich maneuver should only be used in cases of choking where the person is unable to speak or breathe. If the person is conscious and able to speak, they may be able to cough the object out on their own. If the person loses consciousness or stops breathing, call emergency services immediately. Additional tips for performing the Heimlich maneuver. Use the correct technique. Make sure that you are using the correct technique, as described above. Improper technique can cause injury to the person or even make the situation worse. Use enough force. Apply enough force to push the air out of the person's lungs and dislodge the object. Don't be afraid to apply a lot of pressure, as long as you are using the correct technique. Use a firm surface, if possible. Try to perform the Heimlich maneuver on a firm surface, such as a floor or a table. This will help you to apply more force and provide a stable base for the person. Be aware of other options. If you are unable to perform the Heimlich maneuver, there are other options that you can try. For example, if the person is pregnant or obese, you can try to apply pressure to their back instead of their abdomen. If you are alone, you can try to perform the Heimlich maneuver on yourself by leaning forward onto a solid object, such as a chair or a table. In conclusion, the Heimlich maneuver is a simple and effective technique that can save a life. By following the steps outlined in this article and using the correct technique, you can perform the Heimlich maneuver like a pro and help someone in need. Remember that the most important thing is to act quickly and confidently, as time is of the essence in cases of choking. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.